Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nufatihah binti Zamri and my metric number is H21A2675. The system that I choose is the cardiovascular system. Now I am drawing the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. Its primary function is to transport nutrients and oxygen-rich blood to all parts of the body and to carry the oxygenated blood back to the lungs. There are 4 chambers of the heart, and every chambers have their own name. An upper chamber is called an atrium, and there's 2 atria there, which call right atrium and left atrium. A lower chamber is called a ventricle. We have 2 ventricles that name right ventricle and left ventricle. Next, the blood vessels. The function of blood vessels is to deliver blood to the organs and tissues in your body. The blood supplies them with the oxygen and nutrients they need to function. Blood vessels are carry waste products and carbon dioxide away from your organs and tissues. Each type of blood vessel serves a different function. For example, arteries. These strong muscular blood vessels carry oxygen-rich blood from your heart to your body. They handle a large amount of force and pressure from your blood flow, but don't carry a large volume of blood. At any given time, only about 10 to 15% of your body's blood is in your arteries. Or, we can say that arteries are blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood out from the heart. On the outside, they are hard, but on the inside, they have a smooth layer of epithelial cells that allows blood to flow freely. Arteries also contain a strong, muscular middle layer that helps pump blood through the body. Next, capillaries. These tiny blood vessels have thin walls. Oxygen and nutrients from the blood can move through the walls and get into organs and tissues. The capillaries also take waste products away from your tissues. Capillaries are where oxygen and nutrients are exchanged for carbon dioxide and waste. In another story, the capillaries' function is to connect the arteries to veins. The arteries transport oxygen-rich blood to the capillaries, where the oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged. The waste-rich blood is then delivered to the veins, where it is transported back to the lungs and heart. Veins. Veins carry the blood back to the heart. Unlike arteries, veins don't have to carry highly pressurized blood, but they do have to carry large volumes of the oxygenated blood back to your heart. Thin, less elastic walls help them handle high volumes and low pressure. Most veins have valves that open and close. The valve control blood flow and keep your blood flowing in one direction. Arteries don't require valves because pressure from the heart is so strong that blood is only able to flow in one direction. About 75% of your blood is in your veins. From the lungs, the oxygenated blood returns to the heart through the pulmonary vein. The oxygenated blood is pumped at high pressure from the heart to the body through the aorta. The body cells bring the deoxygenated blood returns to the heart through the vena cava. The deoxygenated blood is pumped from the heart to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. In a short story, there are 3 types of blood vessels. Arteries carry blood away from your heart, veins carry blood back toward your heart, and capillaries, the smallest blood vessels, which is connect arteries and veins. Firstly, veins bring blood to the right side of your heart. Then, pulmonary arteries carry the blood to your lungs, where it receives oxygen. Pulmonary veins move the blood oxygen-rich blood to the left side of your heart. The aorta, which is the main artery in your body, carries the blood from the left side of your heart to the rest of your body through many branches of arteries. Capillaries have thin walls that allow oxygen, nutrients, carbon dioxide, and waste products to pass through to and from the tissue cells. Veins then carry the blood back to your heart, and the process begins again. Okay, so here are some other important parts of the heart. There are semilunar valve, bicuspid valve, tricuspid valve, septum, and cardiac muscle. The semilunar valve prevents expelled blood flowing back into the heart. Bicuspid and tricuspid valve prevent blood flowing back into the atria from the ventricles. Septum is the wall that dividing the left and right sides of the heart, while these walls are made of cardiac muscle. So that's all from me. Thank you.